Hello and welcome back to Engagin. This video is a quiz on prepositions. Choose the correct preposition to give a complete meaning. You have 10 questions and the time to answer each question is 10 seconds. Read the questions carefully and choose the correct options. You may pause the video if you need extra time. Let's get into the video. All the best. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the quiz. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Kindly share your score in the comment box. Thanks for watching.